Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this, we are going to discuss about sales sequence in Dynamics 365 Sales. Sales sequence is a feature that helps sellers to follow a consistent, guided set of activities to engage leads and opportunities. Sales sequences are like playbooks that tell users exactly what to do next step by step. They ensure every salesperson follows the same best practice, improving the follow up, speed, and conversion rates. The sequences can be designed in Sequence Designer within Sales Insight settings. Sequences are part of Sales Accelerator functionality. Within Sales Sequence Designer, we can add steps such as send an email, make a phone call, uh, or wait for specific period of time, create a task. So all those activities can be created as different steps inside Sequence Designer. Each step will be triggered automatically when the previous one is completed. For example, within a sequence, if we have the first step as follow up email and then the second step as phone call, the moment the follow up email is triggered to the customer, the second step, which is the phone call, will be triggered automatically, and it will show us a notification in the form so that the seller who is working on that opportunity or lead will get an idea of what he or she need to do next. There are a lot of benefits available using sequence in Dynamics 365. It ensures that every salesperson follows a consistent sales process, reduces the manual planning. The next step is always clear, which improves the response time and follow up discipline. Helps the team to scale a best practices with repeatable workflows. In this video description, I will also give you the Microsoft documentation link of sequence functionality so that you can also look into that document to understand the sequence much better. In this video, I will show you a quick demo of how to create this sequence within Sequence Designer and how this particular sequence can be connected from the entity record like opportunity. To set up sequence, we need to go to Sales Insight settings, and from here the first step is to go to Sales Accelerator workspace, and then we need to configure it. Here we need to select the security roles for which the Sales Accelerator should be enabled. Based on your business requirement, you can select the required security roles. Users with those security roles will be able to access the Sales Accelerator features. And then here in the record type, I have already added leads and opportunities. But in case if you want to add some other record types, you can click on this add record type and you can select the required entity or table based on your requirement. But for this demo, I will show the sequence creation for opportunity table. For opportunity, I have already added this inside this record type and form. And once this particular page is done, we need to click on this publish so that the changes will be reflected. I have already clicked on publish here. And once the workspace things are configured, we can click on this sequence. It will take you to the sequence page. By default, we have two sequence. These are system created ones. But when we need to create a new one, we can click on this new sequence. It will show you a pop-up. If you need to use any of the existing templates, you can select the templates from here and click on user template. But for this demo purpose, I will start from blank. And here, the first step is to give a name for this sequence and select the record type. I have given a name here, and then as I said earlier, I have selected the record type as opportunity. And once these two details are entered, we can go to next step. When I click on next, immediately the designer page will be opened for you. From here, we can just click on this plus button to add additional steps. These are the different steps available. Send an email, send a text message, send an automated email, send an automated text message, make a phone call, complete a task, set wait time. These are the different steps available inside this sequence designer that we can use. And then we also have different conditions. If we have already enabled email engagement feature in sales insights, then you can use the capabilities of email engagement to have conditions. Based on that, the sequence steps will be triggered. We also have other conditions using the field values and business process stage of the entity record. For example, the particular sequence should be triggered only when the opportunity status reason is something. Then we can use this field value condition to start the sequence steps. And similarly, if you want to automatically trigger your sequence when a particular BPF stage reaches, then you can use this business process stage condition. And similarly, we have different commands, like you can call another sequence from this sequence, or you can update a field in your opportunity record or lead record using this command. And there are some other steps or actions related to LinkedIn. If you have already enabled LinkedIn integration, you can use these actions as well. Now for this demo, we will first create a email. So once I click on email, I will get this email properties over here. I just need to give the title, and then I need to choose a template over here. Here I have given the name as follow-up email, and then I have selected one of the default or existing template follow-up to our meeting. So whenever this sequence is started, a new follow-up email activity will be created and it will be displayed in the up next section within the form. And when the user clicks on send button, automatically this email template will be used. And once the email is sent, I need to wait for some time. Here we can give the duration of waiting time. I will give the time as 1 hour, and then again we can click on the plus button to add one more activity. Now I will add this phone call activity. Similar to email, here also we need to give the details in the properties section. Once everything is ready, we can save this sequence. Now our sequence is saved successfully, and once it is saved, we need to activate it. Only the activated sequences can be used in your opportunity. If you have just saved it, it will not be shown in it. You cannot see your sequence from your opportunity when you click on connect sequence button. Now I am in opportunities page. From here, we will create a new opportunity. So in the new opportunity, I have given these details, opportunity sequence test, and then I will save this opportunity record. After saving, you will see this connect sequence button at the top of your comment bar. So here you just need to click on this connect sequence, and then you will see this pop-up. Here it will show you all the active sequences that are available for opportunity table. From here I will select the sequence that we have created, and then we need to click on this connect button. And once it is connected, you will see all the list of steps that we have configured in the sequence designer inside your up next widget. The first step is follow up email. The second step is follow up call. So here, whenever the salesperson opens this opportunity, he will know that the first step of this opportunity is he need to send a follow up email. Here we used just email activity, but if you remember, there was one more option, send an automated email. If we selected that, then the email will be automatically triggered to the customer. Now if I click on this email, it will show me the email activity. From here I can just review it, and here you can see that the template has been used. We have already selected the email template in our sequence designer. The same template has been already used, and we just need to click on send. That's it. And once the email is sent, we can click on mark complete, so that system will know that this particular step is completed, and it will trigger the next step. Now if you remember, we before calling the second step, which is phone call activity, we added a wait time of 1 hour, right? So before calling the second step, system will wait for 1 hour. So next time, after 1 hour or after 2 hours, if the salesperson opens this particular opportunity, then he will see this follow-up call in active state. And from here, he can click on the call button to make a phone call to the customer if the CTA is integrated. And once the call is made, he can click on mark complete and close this task. In addition to mark complete, the salesperson will also get these options. If he wants to skip any step, if he don't want to make the phone call, instead he want to go to next step, he can click on this skip button so that the particular activity will be skipped. If he wants to uh, remind him after some time, then he can click on snooze. Or if you want to assign this particular activity to another salesperson, he can do it. Or if you want to make a quick note of this activity after making a phone call to the customer, if he want to make a quick note, he can click on this note and make a quick note here. And once he click on complete, then system will show that nice work, you have completed all the activities for this opportunity. So from the sequence perspective, whatever the activities has been listed is now completed. And here within timeline, you will be able to see the same completed activities. So if you remember, as part of this sequence, we had a email activity and phone call activity. Those two activities will be listed here inside the timeline. Even though it's completed in the up next widget, all the completed activities can be viewed from the timeline of your opportunity. I hope now you are clear with the sequence concept. In this video, we discussed about creation of sequence using sequence designer, and we called that particular sequence manually by clicking on connect sequence button within the opportunity form. In the next video, I will show you how to automatically connect a sequence whenever a new opportunity record is created. Thank you for watching.